Hi, I'm Sarah with WTI. It's weird to think that I've reached the age where mobility is an issue for my parents, but here we are. And I'm so thankful for this senior walker from VOCIC. There are so many things that makes this walker better than the one that she currently has. From its wheels to its handle, this outstanding walker is going to give my mom the stability and the freedom that we've been looking for. I also liked how easy the brakes were to squeeze and how efficiently it stopped when you do. This company offers 3 different colors that you can choose from. My mother loves the color red, and it's vibrant as her personality, and she loves it. With its easy twist knobs, you can adjust it to your height and comfort level with no difficulty. And it also has an attachable pouch under the seat that's the perfect size for your favorite senior to fill with snacks and then forget about until they start to rot. I was very impressed by the mobility. Because of its 4 big wheels, it was able to conquer the rough terrain of my rocky driveway with ease. I also liked that it's lightweight and compact enough to easily fit into the back of my car. There was some assembly that was required, but it came with everything that you needed to put it together and easy to read instructions, so I was able to put it together by myself in a short amount of time. So if you're looking for a lightweight, well-made senior walker for yourself or for your aging loved one, then this walker from VOCIC will impress you as much as it did me. And that's my point of view.